you hungry? Shall we see? Would you like lovely rice and pears? Or pears and rice even? It's ready, I think. Are you ready? Oh, not your hand. You ready for this? Oh, Mr. Look. Arthur. Oh. Does that taste nice? Is it delicious? Good boy. Good boy. You're having a lovely spoon of pears with rice. Good boy. You're having yummy rice. Good boy. Yum. You swallowing it down? Is it all gone in your mouth? Yummy. It's yummy, it is. Good boy. You like the pears, don't you? It's alright, it's just a little dribble. Oh. Yeah. Did that one go down? Was it tasty? Look. Do you want some more? Hold on. You fell into that one a bit, did you? I'll tell you what. Let's put this arm out a bit. Look. Oh, now. Now. Oh, look. No, take your hand away. Good man. Good boy. Good boy. It's yummy. It's so yummy, that pears, isn't it? Oh, look over here. Arthur. Hand out. Hand out, come on. Oh. Good boy. Arthur, look. Oh. This one. Take your hand away. Good man. Now. Good boy. Oh, Daddy'd be so proud. He'll say you're such a big boy for having delicious pears and rice. That was a bit too much, was it? Did I give you too much? Are you going to eat the whole bowl? I think you will. I think you like this one, huh? Good boy. Ooh. Oh. You hadn't finished the bit that was in there, silly. More? Good boy. Good boy, you're so good at this. You're getting so good after only a week. After just a week of doing it. Are you watching yourself on the screen? Are you? It's nearly gone, you know. Maybe 2 more spoons? 2 more spoons? Is that bit gone? The bit that's in your mouth? Let's see. I think it's all gone. There's just a little bit left. Good boy. More? No? A little bit more? Oh, good man. Is that delicious pears? Good boy. Can you see it? Yeah, you can, I think. Is that bit gone? Yeah? Good boy. Oh, it came out that bit, did it? Oh dear, that's okay. You don't want to waste it, there's not much left. Yum. Is the last spoon? last spoon? Ah. I'm going to open up and have the last spoon. Ah. Yeah. The last bit. Would you like some more? Good boy. Oh. That was lots. Look, it's all gone. Look, it's all gone. There's nothing left. It's all gone. Would you like the spoon? Oh. Well done, you. You're so clever. You are such a clever boy.